Okay, just a quick heads up on how to adjust Tapepro handles. You should not have any free play in the cam. So free play there means that when the head's up and the rod or the cam is back, then we've got good grip height. But when the handle is down and the cam goes forward, we've got low grip height. So to adjust that, just undo or loosen these two screws. Pull the retainer forward and then nip the screws up. Just check that your handle can still, the pivot plate can still move, and then tighten the screws up. And then we've removed all that free play. So now we've got good consistent grip height. So the second thing is, if the pivot has worn, then this plate will be springing back up. So what we want to do is adjust out some of that free play. So if you wind down this locking screw until the plate grabs, so the brake's just applied, and then back it off just about 1/8 of a turn, and then check the free play, and again adjust the cam to adjust out the free play, and then when you release that screw, this section will be held under tension, but it'll still give you a good grip height. So you'll adjust out all that spring.